Come take a look at this 2009 Ford F-150. Carfax has certified this F-150 as having one owner. This F-150 has just under 89,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 4.6-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and premium wheels. Call 800-264-3927 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.